So the next question, 13. Do you have an automated email campaign to take a prospect through the know, like, trust, and trust process to build the relationships? So this is the key as well. And so the bottom line is this is actually what today's marketplace looks like, okay? And so you want to start to understand that the missing ingredients in many people's cases is the landing page, the educational gift that is designed to increase the conversion, to the controlled communication center. This is the engine that drives people to continue their connection with you. And then a feeder system, which is the autoresponder engine, moving them to your next logical answer. Maybe that's a consult call, maybe that's a questionnaire, maybe that is coming into the office for an appointment or a visit. But whatever it is, once you get this in place, you are now in control of the cycle. And again, it was mentioned about a newsletter earlier. That's part and parcel. The thing about a newsletter, if it's only going out once a month, people will forget you. So you need to increase that frequency to every 7 days. So here's in general, you know, one of the elements of putting together an effective communication cycle. So they come from various locations, your website, your Facebook, a blog post. They're just finding you to your landing page, your what's called a lead magnet, your free offer. Then they're ending up in your new lead campaign. That is educating them to the process to the point where they buy, and then they move to a new customer campaign because they bought, and then they move to a nurture campaign. So there's all these cycles in the life of a prospect, a customer, you know, vendors, anybody that comes into your life has a category and needs to be communicated to. So it's key that this is properly set up and structured. And this is, again, one of our specialized skills. Now, the fact is, it takes 7 to 12 touch points to make a sale. The average person follows up twice, and only 2% follow up more than 3 times. Put in the chat box if you have actually chased somebody down 10 times or more, because that's where the gold is, right? Without proper follow-up, 98% of your sales are getting left behind. Even put it in the chat box if you're of the 2%, and you know that, you know, after twice, you kind of feel like you're bugging them, and so you're not going to follow up anymore. It is actually a disservice to not follow up and make sure that that person gets what they wanted. They've literally just been distracted by life. And if that's not the case, they will tell you. But in most times, it is due to that.